Good afternoon, everybody. It is Tuesday, April 29th, 2025. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor, and I like sharing my portfolio and trials and tribulations to help other people learn from my mistakes, specifically people with disabilities who have registered disability savings plans, and everybody else who has an account here in Canada or wherever you're from. I make lots of mistakes, and I'm trying to learn from them. So, anyways, here it is. Today, I made one trade and ended the day at 79,920 Canadian dollars, which is up 0.8% or 0.8%. So that's all right. I've got more money than I started the day with, and that's a good thing. As far as the trade I made today, what I did was I bought one put option, that is the right to sell a particular stock at a price. In this case, I'm thinking that because Nvidia has been so volatile lately, and I can't predict whether it's going up or down, or it's like a toilet seat, up and down every day. So what I did was I bought a put option at a $105 strike price. I paid $575 for that, which gives me the right to sell 100 shares at $105. Today it traded between $107 and $110. That is Nvidia. So it bounced around a fair bit. Yesterday I bought a call option for Nvidia at $115 strike. So what I'm doing is what's called a strangle. And I've never done it before. I don't know if I'm doing it right. But essentially you buy a call and a put on a particular stock at different prices, but for the same expiration date. In this case, they expire June 20th, 2025. So there's over 50 days until expiration, and I'm thinking that it's going to work out okay. What I did was I set the price yesterday when I bought my call option to buy my put option today. Didn't know it would happen today. I set the expiration for the order a couple of days ahead, and just counting on the volatility that did happen. I happened to get the put at the price that I set. So that happened. I'm expecting that because there is an issue with Huawei, a Chinese chip maker, introducing an AI chip that will compete with an older version of an Nvidia chip, that's going to cause some problems with Nvidia's earnings. Not to mention the fact that Trump has banned Nvidia or barred them from selling a particular chip that they made for the Chinese market to China. So they've essentially developed a chip that they can no longer sell, and that's going to cost them somewhere in the order of $5 billion if I'm not mistaken. So I'm taking a chance on Nvidia. Don't know which way the market's going to push the stock and what's going to happen. So because of all the volatility, I'm trying this strangle. Wish me luck. Anyways, that was my day today. Other than that, just kind of took it easy. Enjoyed watching the final tally of Canada's election. Mark Carney is our new Prime Minister, or continues to be our Prime Minister, and he won a minority government. So that should stabilize things for Canada. And if he's able to negotiate successfully with Donald Trump, that should help ease some of the worries that are going on in my country. Here's hoping. Anyways, that was my day. Hope you had a good one. And on another note, I'm up to 268 subscribers on this channel. Thank you to everyone who's taken the time to press that subscribe button. If you haven't and you enjoy my content, you enjoy learning from my mistakes, please hit that subscribe. One day I might get enough subscribers to actually make a little money on this channel and invest it in my registered disability savings plan. You never know. it would help. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate you spending some time with me, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Cheers.